Hi, it's Vince from Pinpoint with your latest tech update. When was the last time you questioned a software update? Most of us don't. Attackers are taking advantage of that. There's a fake Windows 11 update circulating that looks almost identical to the real thing. It appears and prompts you to download it like any standard update. But instead of improving your system, it installs malicious software. It looks authentic even to security tools. To stay safe, only install updates through Windows settings and avoid downloading them from unfamiliar pages. If something unexpected appears, take a moment before clicking. If you'd like help keeping your system secure, give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.